Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can save or export the audio using Bandlabs, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a new project which I have created, which just has the Baldur's Gate 3 OST, and I'll be showing you an example of how you can download this. Now, this is a bit modified. I have decreased the speed for a couple of times, for example, 30 or 40%. I forget exactly what it was, but that is pretty much how I've changed it. And let's say I want to export this track. What you need to do is go into the left and you go under project, hover over this, and you'll get all of these here options, and you just need to go into download. You can also publish this and have it up on Bandlab for others to access, but you can go into download and you can download the tracks, or you can download the mix down as. Let's say, for example, I click on that, it's creating a mix down, and once this finishes loading, I will be able to actually access and download this file. Now, as you can see, currently it is at 75%. It is quite fast. It started at like 50% already, which is quite well good. Might be, it does depend on your download speeds and everything, but as you can see, you can download with no compression as a WAV file, as a MP3, which has the highest quality, which has great sound while still being lightweight. MP4A has good quality and lightweight, which is optimized for streaming, and you have medium for MP4A, which is lightweight and heavily compressed, which is great for sharing. And as you can see, you see the size for each sort of format. And let's say I want to download the MP3, I just click here and it will load up and it'll allow me to download that file. And once it finishes loading, it should start downloading it itself. Just give it a second. But yeah, pretty much you get the idea. You just go into your project from the menu in the top left, hover over downloads, click the markdown or whatever it is, the mix up as, or you can download the tracks themselves if you want separately. And once this is done, it should allow me to download. Now, this is taking a long time, so I won't bore you guys with actually watching this load, but that is pretty much the gist of it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.